Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I'm coming at you with a short video on how I dealt with my recent problem that arose with all the cards that I have in my collection. As you can see, I had way too many and there was no sorting system at all. I tried to make a deck and it took me about 3 hours to find a card for the deck. So without further ado, this is going to be a short video on how I decided that I'm going to turn the delivery packaging of the cards and the card boxes into something a little bit more efficient and a little bit more usable. So short video, how I did that, how I got along, and how it ended up looking. Hope you enjoy. We'll get straight into it. So started off with the box. I did a 5.5 centimeter measurement from the bottom on all sides and marked it out with a pen. I used a metal ruler to keep a straight edge on it all and went around, cut it all out. Then after cutting it out, I had the little, main sort of the box. I wanted to make a nice flat surface so the cards would have something nice to just sit against. And then I wanted to create a little quick insert that could go and, obviously distinguish two sets of cards that I would end up putting in there, two rows of cards, I should say. And so, yeah, I just got along. I just did some quick measurements and I just got it all together. And I think I was very happy with the final product. So let's get into that and let's see how this turned out. There we have it, guys. 3 complete, sorted, old packing boxes that I've turned into card sorters. It's pretty simple. It took me about 10 minutes on that one you saw that I sped up. So it took me about half an hour, 45 minutes to do all 3. They're not anything too glamorous, but in the broad scheme of, instead of looking through one of these boxes, when you first get a box and then you have all your cards just in here, these are all leaders in here, and you're like, oh, I want to build a deck, and then you're like, oh, well, I'll just look for a couple of hours to find one card, just a little bit of effort and just chalk out half your day, and then you can just be like, oh, okay, so I've got to look for something, and then you just go to it, villainy, 2 cost, and then you can just find it just there. And it also just sets you up, anyone that's about to start with a new set, Legends of the Force, coming out, maybe start out by doing this, and then you don't have to ever get into the situation that you saw earlier with the entire table being possessed by thousands of cards, and your girlfriend's asking you where she can eat dinner, and you say, well, not on the cards, because, yeah. So, hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're having a great day. I think I'm going to release this on a Wednesday, so it's going to be a Wednesday. So I hope you're having a great Wednesday. And I hope you're going to have a great Wednesday, or you've had a great Wednesday. I hope you've just had a good time. And remember to like and subscribe if you like the content. Also dislike, so I know if I've done something wrong. Leave a comment. I'm great. I want criticism, anything like that, or any critiques or what you think. Anyway, easy, simple way to sort your cards and have them in a bit of a better manner for if you're looking to build sets for, Premiere when you're going to weekly plays and all that kind of stuff. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed. Stay safe, guys, and see you in the next one.